Okay, let's see the chance. I will try this 2,000 consumers. I do not look like Palpatine. Let's see do it again to see if it's live. Okay. So like and subscribe if you think this is going to work, because if it's not going to show the same character, then that means this things are live and never try it again. So make sure to subscribe, and thank you for the 1,000 viewers again. Wait, last time. Okay, let's try again. Nah. I do not have a big nose, and I don't have trees on my thing, and I don't have big feet. Look, like, seriously, look at my feet. You better eat it, or else I will let you eat it. Guys, just think that's something. But I guess like I will be Mr. Bean for a long news. Bye bye, guys.